Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today is another Rbsg video, and if you don't know what that is or you didn't watch last month's video, it stands for Random Beauty Support Group. I am in a group with 10 other beautiful, very talented ladies, and each month we are given a different word, and this month is Beth's month. And the word that Beth gave us is designer. So we are to create a look around what we think designer means. So when I heard this word and heard the description of what she wants us to do, I instantly thought of Audrey Hepburn, because I think when I think of designer beauty or classic designer beauty looks, I think of Audrey Hepburn and Breakfast at Tiffany's. I don't know why, I just do, and that is what we're going to create, is her look from Breakfast at Tiffany's, and I'm going to put a picture of her right over here. And just so you guys can see what inspired me to do this, I think simple, classic, elegant beauty is designer to me. I will also have down below in the description box the link to the playlist so you can watch everyone else's videos. So please support these beautiful, talented women. Like, subscribe, comment on their videos. I'm sure they would love, love, love your support. We are going to jump right into this video. It probably isn't going to be a very long video, so sorry, but I don't think this look is going to take really long to create. So I'm going to just jump right in and get started. Final look. It is nothing too extravagant, just simple and elegant, and that is what I think of when I hear the word designer. Designer is to me, so I just think of simple, elegant, classic beauty, and what better person to be inspired from is the queen of simple and elegant, Audrey Hepburn. So that is our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give my video a thumbs up. Remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. And be sure to click that playlist link down below and watch all of my friends' videos. Please comment, subscribe, and like to their videos as well. I can't wait for you to see all of the looks that they came up with using the word designer. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.